Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you Bigo live tutorial for beginners. Yeah, as we all know, Bigo live is for live streaming and playing of games, mingling with friends and the rest of that. On Bigo live you can actually make new friends, and Bigo Live is actually a combination of like TV show and live stream and social media all together in one app. So I'm going to show you how to actually download, install, create an account, how to use Bigo Live app and the rest of that. So first thing first, you have to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Bigo. So once you search for Bigo, right here, you just have to install it. Once it's installed, you have to open that up and it's going to bring you back to Bigo Live right here. So all you need to do in order to create an account is just to choose your gender, either female, and add your birthday date, which we will have to set. So I'm going to set it right here. Yeah, and my month's January, and you're going to click on done. So here is where you have to sign in with either your phone number or sign in with your Facebook account or sign in with Google. So I'll be signing in with my Google, right? So here is where I got to choose all my Google accounts. So I'll be using this one right here, and it's going to have to wait for that to process. And you can see, so they actually use my name to set up this profile. Click on done right there, and here you can see top trending broadcasters, right? So you just have to, you can skip that if you want. So here is where the show is happening, like where everything is happening on Bigo Live. We are there right now. So you can see I'm on live, come and support me. So once you click on join, you are going to join, and you can click on refuse, which I just did now. So first thing you have to know about Bigo is that you can actually locate nearby people around you, around your country, your state. So these are the people nearby, so I can just choose to edit that location. So I'm currently in Enugu State, Nigeria, so it's going to show me all the people in Enugu. You just see just edited, and these are the people around my area right now that are streaming on Bigo Live. Yeah, so next thing you have to know is popular, show you people that are top streamers on Bigo Live. Yeah, you can see a lot of them right here. And the next one is explore, where you get to choose friends and locate a lot of people around the world. You can see there's Nigeria, US, Germany, many country, a lot of country stream and Bigo Live. And they have the final one, which is the game, where you go to play your Call of Duty, Free Fire, Mobile Legends, PUBG, and the rest of that while streaming online. Now let's go below. You can see where it says live. You can go live right there, and party, you can throw a party on live as well. You can do that, and you can either choose on chatting, you can chat, right, and dating. You can see dating right there. You can see games, interest, emotional, and the rest of that. So here is where the chat is, where you can chat a lot of people on Bigo Live. What they're saying, just going to press this as well. So just if someone just texted me hello, so you can just go up, open up the app and say hi to the person. So as you can see, Bigo Live is very easy and interesting for me. Yeah, you can see next thing is me, the me part, where you get to edit your account, your profile, sorry. Edit, there's nothing much to do on it though. You just have to complete the tax, right? So here you have to put in your 3 more pictures, but let's just say 4 in total, and you have to do a real person authentication where they have to scan your face to make sure you're not an AI. And you can see we match of selfie, hobby, travel, and the rest of that. So right here you have to fill in all your informations. Yeah, your gender has been done already, your birthday, your height, your weight, your hometown, language, emojis, personal label, and this is your Bigo ID and your location as well. So this is how it works. Now let's go to the part of going live on Bigo. You just have to click on this here. That is where you can go live on Bigo. Yeah, so you have to give Bigo a permission to actually make use of your camera. We actually I got 63 viewers over this I just did, right? So this is actually how to go live on Bigo. We have come to the end of this video. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.